The system we have designed will allow us to see, feel, and hear nearby entities in real time while we are immersed in a VR experience. This system will require the VR headset to have 8 vibration motors placed around the main band to provide the user with directional haptic feedback. 4 arrays of infrared projectors and cameras placed around the headset will allow the headset to sense objects around the user. 2 stereo speakers will provide directional audio feedback to the user. Here's my real environment. 2 meters in front of me I have an obstacle, which is an ottoman with a ball on it. 2 meters to my left I have a wall. Now I'm going to put on the VR headset. Here's my virtual environment. This experience clearly wants me to press that button. It's about 3 virtual meters in front of me. I'm going to get about half a meter closer to it. Alright, so the motor at the front of the headset has started vibrating. I'm also hearing audio beeps which feel like they're coming from in front of me. That's because the obstacle in the real world is 1.5 meters in front of me, close enough that I should feel it, but not in the visual threshold, which would take me out of the immersion entirely. Another half a meter and the table is now in the visual threshold, which is 1 meter in front of me now. The vibration has gotten more intense, the beeps have become more frequent, and I'm seeing this portal to the real world open up where I can see the ottoman with the ball on it. Sure enough, when I take off my headset, I see that the obstacle is right there, where the system warned me. Remember that there is a wall 2 meters to my left, and the warning threshold starts at 1.5 meters. I'm gonna get a half a meter closer to the wall. I'm hearing beeps from my left side, and I feel vibrations on the left side of my head. I'll take another step. Now I'm 1 meter away from the wall. If I rotate my head slightly to the left, I see the wall I could be bumping into soon. So at this point it's pretty clear that I can't get to that button. I should either move this unreasonably placed furniture or use my VR software's repositioning system to get a better center point. As a final note in this design, let's take another look at the threshold scale. By default, it is set to softly notify the user at 1.5 meters and visually at 1 meter. These can be adjusted for users as they find necessary, but the threshold should automatically be temporarily increased based on how fast the user is moving. This is so the user can see obstacles coming from further away if they have less time to react. Going at 8 km per hour should max out the threshold, showing the user everything in front of them. That's everything we have. Thank you so much for watching.